Hello everyone, we have received the latest model in the market. We have HP 9720 available right now. It's the A3 printer, it's the HP OfficeJet printer which comes with A3 printing capacity. It's a nice printer which you can print A3 and you can scan A4 papers on this printer. So it's a smart printer which comes with a digital display. You can adjust the display as per your needs. This printer comes with a loading tray which you can load up to 200 pages. Oh my god, it's amazing, right? This printer is only 749 Qatari riyal. It's a very low price. This price is a super price for you. This price is only available at Royce World Trading. We will offer you 3 years warranty for this product. And this printer is a smart printer which you can use it with all the smart devices available at your home. You can use your mobile phone, you can use your laptop, you can use your computer to make more printouts from this printer. We only have a limited stock available right at the moment in Qatar. So contact us soon, order soon from Royce World Trading. We are located at Abu Hamur Tea Time Building, first floor, office number 4. See you again with another video.